Got it!
Okay, this is a lemongrass. Para the taste is so very yummy. Okay?
Oh my god!
The next, give me is the big spoon. Big spoon. Okay, this is a sandok in Filipino. In English, big spoon.
Gago!
Okay? Okay, right? Copy? So next. Next vegetable. This is a heart of banana.
Got it! Got it!
Then, in Filipino, puso ng saging. In English, heart of banana, okay? Sorry. Okay. So, very taste.